Do your hands or feet ever go numb while sitting? Do you feel that creepy crawl ant-like tingling in your skin? Or maybe all of a sudden it's like an electric shock shoots through your arms or legs? Well, you are not alone. And this could be much more serious than you think. If you have ever felt stiffness, pain, or a burning sensation that runs throughout your body, you might be dealing with neuropathy, a condition that damages your nerves and slowly spreads from head to toe. But here's the good news. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful natural foods that can help open blocked nerves, reduce pain, and bring back sensation naturally. So, if you or someone in your family experiences these symptoms, this video is very important for you. And trust me, you don't want to skip number 5. So let's dive in. First, understanding the problem. Neuropathy can happen for a few major reasons. First, diabetes is the number one cause. Second, it can also come from vitamin or mineral deficiencies, especially B vitamins. Sometimes it's due to injury or anemia, a lack of healthy red blood cells. And here's the scary part. Most people ignore the early warning signs. They think, oh, it's just a little numbness, it will go away. But if left untreated, the nerve damage or neuropathy grows silently until it starts affecting your everyday life. Simple things like walking, climbing stairs, or even lying down to rest can feel uncomfortable, painful, or impossible. Before it gets worse, let's fix it right at the root. Here are 5 proven superfoods that heal and strengthen your nerves naturally and relieve you from neuropathic pain. First remedy, turmeric. Let's start with one of the most powerful natural medicines on earth, turmeric. Turmeric contains a powerful antioxidant called curcumin, which reduces inflammation and protects your nerves from damage. It acts like a protective shield for your nerves. When your nerves are inflamed, the transfer of signals between your brain and body slows down. That's why you feel tingling, numbness, or burning. Curcumin calms this inflammation by improving blood flow and nerve repair. Even scientific research confirms curcumin helps reduce neuropathic pain and boost nerve function. And here's how to take it the right way. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of warm milk or water. Add a pinch of black pepper. It helps absorb curcumin 20 times better. Add 1 teaspoon of honey for taste. Drink this every night before bed. Within weeks, you will feel your numbness fading away and energy returning. Second remedy, the king of natural pain relief, ginger. Ginger is loaded with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that work directly on damaged nerves. It's nature's painkiller. According to studies, ginger reduces nerve inflammation and eases nerve pain by improving circulation. So here's a simple home recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of grated or chopped ginger. Boil it in 1 cup of water on medium flame. Add 1 small crushed cardamom pod for flavor. Strain it and drink warm. Do this twice a day after meals, and you will notice tingling and pain start to fade away. Even ginger tea also helps with digestion, inflammation, and blood sugar, making it a triple win for people with diabetic neuropathy. Third remedy, flax seeds. You have probably seen these tiny brown seeds. They might look small, but they are a powerhouse for nerve health. Flax seeds are one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, crucial for repairing nerve membranes and improving circulation. They reduce inflammation, strengthen nerve cells, and boost oxygen flow in your body. And here's how to use them correctly. Dry roast flax seeds on a pan for a few minutes. Let them cool down. Then grind them into a fine powder. Store it in an airtight jar. Take half to 1 teaspoon twice a day with water, milk, or yogurt. You can even sprinkle flaxseed powder on salads, smoothies, or oatmeal. And if you need more information on flax seeds, check out my flaxseed vlog. I'll put the link in the description below. Fourth remedy, vitamin B rich foods. Now, this one's a game changer. If you're dealing with numbness or nerve weakness, pay attention. Your nerves depend on the B vitamin family, especially B1, B6, and B12. B1, thiamine, fuels your nerve cells with energy. B6 reduces inflammation. B12 repairs and maintains nerve cells. Without these, your nerves start to shut down slowly. Now, here are some delicious B vitamin rich foods that you can add to your diet starting today. First is milk, yogurt, cheese, fortified cereals. Second, dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, mustard greens, red and yellow bell peppers, green peas, mushrooms, avocados, sweet potatoes, broccoli, cauliflower, beetroot, asparagus. I can just go on and on. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, barley, quinoa, sunflower seeds, legumes like black beans, lentils, chickpeas, nuts, and fish. These foods give your body the B vitamins it needs to rebuild and strengthen nerves daily. Fifth remedy, magnesium rich foods, the mineral that calms your nerves down. Magnesium helps regulate nerve signals, muscle relaxation, and blood sugar levels, all critical for nerve health. It basically keeps your nerves calm and balanced. So, here are some top magnesium rich foods: spinach and turnip greens, almonds and cashews, pumpkin seeds, quinoa and brown rice. Want a quick snack idea? Try this spinach cheese power salad. Take some fresh spinach leaves in a bowl, toss in some chopped almonds, cashews, and cheese. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. That's a magnesium bomb your nerves will love. So, if you're struggling with numbness, tingling, burning, or nerve pain, start adding these 5 powerful foods to your daily diet: turmeric, ginger, flax seeds, vitamin B rich foods, and finally, magnesium rich foods. Because these aren't just foods, they are natural healers. They reduce inflammation, repair nerves, improve circulation, and bring your energy back. Your nerves can regenerate, but only if you give them what they need. So if you found this video helpful, drop a comment, hit the like button, and share it with someone dealing with numbness or neuropathy. Stay smiling, stay strong, and keep learning something new every day so you can stay healthy always. I'll see you soon.